બધાને મ્યુટ કરી દો તપન.
Yes, Mitesh.
Shall I start?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's about changing business strategy. So all we aware, we have Corona, COVID-19, and it's difficult to open the industries or business post lockdown. So I just going to share some views. Just a minute. Yeah. So what will manufacturers' new normal be after lockdown? Most of us hope that the COVID-19 pandemic will end within month or soon in the near future, and things will go back in normal. In fact, many aspects of our society may never return to normal. In an effort to control the spread of the coronavirus, governments have taken extreme measures reserved for a global wartime situation, and the use military grade surveillance technology to enforce social distancing. With the millions of people in a complete or partial lockdown, the pandemic has forced societies to quickly and dramatically change how we work, communicate, socialize, and consume products and services. The COVID-19 pandemic hits manufacturers in an unexpected and unprecedented way. For the first time in modern manufacturing history, demand, supply, and workforce ability are affected globally at the same time. Social distancing and employee safety measure put an additional level of pressure on manufacturers, as 40 to 50 percent of their workforce will be unavailable to perform their functions on site, while office employees and knowledgeable workers are able to shift to remote work as the default operating mode. Most factories are simply not designed to be managed remotely and lack the digital tools and infrastructure needs to be support such activities. Decoupling of supply chains are experiencing an unprecedented level of shock, especially for manufacturers that rely on long and inflexible supply chains from a limited set of suppliers. Functions, digital tools, and process that help manage supply chain risks. Accuracy and flexibility will ramp up across the industries, leading to a faster digitalization of supply chains. A government and multinational seeks better insight into the complexities of supplies and distribution chains for critical goods. Digital tools will help better inform policy and business decisions. Greater visibility and coordination across the supply chains will enable better collaboration with a wider base of suppliers, ultimately driving decoupled, high efficient, and more resilient supply chains. The COVID-19 crisis has made having access reliable real-time data an absolute necessity for coordinating the right medical support response. In the near future, data will become an even more strategic resource across multiple facets of business and societies. For Western nationals, this will mean greater investment in data connectivity, acceleration of the deployment of 5G networks, and a push for more valuable insight into leading economic indicators. For manufacturing, greater connectivity means significantly accelerated deployment of industrial IoT, including sensing, data visualization, remote collaboration tools, and AI-based insight across their operations. Control tower will of data and insight across the whole manufacturing operation will become a standard component of running a manufacturing organization. So this is what will manufacturers new normal being. Now we are move towards it's a move towards remote work, collaboration, and the virtual shift. So manufacturers still require people to be physically on site. Operations operators runs machine staff maintain and repairs machine maintenance staff. Sorry, uh, external vendors and contractor needs site access to provide service and help support a significant portion of the operation. With social distancing measure in place, manufacturers may lose up to 50% of their on-site personals. As a manufacturer face these dilemmas, we will see the rapid adoption of remote diagnostic management and collaboration tools. This will result in a emerge of a virtual shift. A team of specialists connected remotely and constantly online in order to guide and support the reduced physical shift of on-site personnel. Enabled by real-time data, AI-based insight, and a range of communication and collaboration tools, the virtual shift will help digest and scale much need expertise across the organization and enable the on-site workforce to become more force effective and ultimately significantly more productive. Virtual work is not just for the office anymore. It is a new reality that will fundamentally change the work environment in manufacturing and help accelerate a trend towards light out facilities. How we will the world be when the lockdown gets lifted in India? It seems that we are slowly moving towards a gradually removal of lockdown for some sector of economy. The government does not have any other alternative other than focus on lives and livelihoods. The biggest challenge business will face will be restarting the operation. Even while a large part of enabling ecosystems continues to be in lockdown, parts like public transport, etc., are like to be continue to be in lockdown and within the constraint of what we are allowed to do. We are we are going to have to ensure that we get our businesses back on track, and that will be the biggest so far is people are going to come back very different. It's not going to be the same human being as left before the lockdown. And I think we are going to see very gradual opening of the world. At the same time, you are going to see very changed people who need to be handled well. I don't think the life would be the same ever again. We will see more competence and humanity requirements to be dealt with. It's going to be business that are more human, that will be win and not the one which focus on performance going forward. We have to keep in mind how we will keep these things together, how you open your office and keep social distancing while managing your costs. Except that the same way you work earlier has changed and make work from home a way of life. There are two aspects to the lockdown. One is operational, just a minute, or the other is operational of the manufacturing units. Both have to be treated differently. How does one open offices once the lockdown gets over? The government will have a big say in this. They are going to allow the relaxation of the lockdown in a phased manner. We are going to have to reality to go through a serious steps to ensure that we are complying with those government guidelines, but at the same time ensuring that our people are safe and are able to active as well, because at the end of the day we have to run businesses. Are the different parameters to follow for big and mid-sized companies after the lockdown ends? Here certain things are non-negotiable, so every organization irrespectively of its size will have to do testing, sanitizing the workplace, have a doctor available. There will be other elements that are easier for a smaller company but pose significant challenge for a larger company. This can include transportation. I don't think a larger organization will be able to take control of commute or put people in guest house or other accommodation. That will put significant financial strain on a lot of organization. So there will be a reduction of a piece of operation. The focus has to be enabling work from home wherever possible, so that it's just a proportion of the employees that are impacted. Even when we open up, not everyone will be allowed into office at the same time. We have to create a roster where team comes in a certain times during the day, complete their works and leave. So all of those will have to be taken into consideration and plan it out, so that we are able to manage this for a larger organization. Thank you.
Fantastic, Mitesh bhai. I think this is very crisp and very essential, which you have talked about the manufacturing setup, which nobody has yet talked about, where most of the people cannot be made work from home. There are only certain people which can be made.
मितेश भाई ने स्टैंडिंग ओवेशन की जरूरत है.
खरेगा, I'll stand up right away.
Thank you. Thanks for this one.
Thank you, Mitesh bhai.